I thought I was trying to fly.
I have to go now. Whee!
Chocolate? Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
My agent is so fired.
Did I answer my question wrong, Interpret?
No. Come on. I have to go now. Whee!
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is...
Was this a game over?
I was born to fail.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Who lives in a pineapple under the 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 pineapple?
No. Come on.
I thought I was trying to fly.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Who lives in a pineapple under the 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 pineapple?
I'll do better next time.
Shush! Why is everyone in such a rush?
Not to worry, next time I'm sure I'll do better. I was born to fail.
Bummer, I was so getting in the groove. I don't want to lose my Cheetos.
Would somebody tell me what just happened? What do you mean, game over? Chocolate? Chocolate! 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 Don't send me back to the home!
You were trying to search for his Space Ranger at all.
Chocolate? Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
I don't know where Zurg is.
Would somebody tell me what just happened? Boring! See you later, loser!